Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. Today I'm super excited because I'll be trying out Rizos Curls new Multitaskers. Please excuse my pronunciation of the brand's name. I have a bit of trouble rolling my R's, so just overlook that. Now with that being said, let's get started. The first product I'll be applying is Rizos Curls Heat Protection Multivitamin Leave-In. I'm starting with wash and detangle hair, ensuring it's in the best condition for styling. Before applying any product, I make sure my hair is damp. This helps the products distribute evenly and absorb better. This leave-in treatment has a super lightweight texture and a delightful subtle sweet summer fragrance, featuring a refreshing blend of California lemon and lime notes combined with coconut milk, all rounded out by hints of vanilla and amber. I used a generous amount of product and raked it through, focusing on the areas that needed extra moisture. I then used my tangle teaser to ensure that the product was evenly distributed throughout my hair and to eliminate any knots and tangles. This all-in-one leave-in is packed with 13 vitamins and amino acids that work to reduce frizz and breakage while nourishing your hair, leaving it stronger and softer. It provides deep hydration, frizz control, and heat protection up to 450 Fahrenheit, making it suitable for all hair types. This lightweight formula has a lovely slip that made it easy to work through my hair, instantly reviving my curls, giving them plenty of moisture. The mango butter in this product really caught my attention, and the overall scent transported me to a tropical vacation, making this a perfect product for spring and summer. While I think this product shines in warmer weather, I appreciate that it offers heat protection, especially during the colder months when I often diffuse or use a dryer. Overall, this leave-in is great. It made detangling a breeze and provided my hair with a ton of hydration. Plus, it's vegan and free from silicone, sulfates, and parabens. With the added heat protection and numerous benefits, I highly recommend giving this product a try. To seal in the nutrients from the leave-in, I'll be using Rizos Curls new curl custard. At first glance, the product has a watery jelly-like texture, and unlike the leave-in, the citrus notes really stood out to me. While I'm not usually a fan of citrus scents, this one isn't overpowering and doesn't linger, which I truly appreciate. Before applying, I spritzed my hair with water and applied a small amount of the custard with my fingers. Then I followed with my tangle teaser to enhance my curls. This curl custard is a 2-in-1 multifunctional cream and gel that delivers definition, shine, and bounce with a medium flexible hold. The key ingredients, lychee, mango butter, and aloe vera, provide a high slip that not only makes application easy, but also enhances curls, reduces frizz, and locks in moisture. I was really excited to try this product, but I must admit I underestimated the amount of slip it has. For my hair, dampness is just right. If it's too wet, the curl custard simply slips right out. I also discovered that I don't need as much leave-in as I thought, especially when I want a stronger hold. What I love most about this product is that it pairs well with all Rizos Curls products, giving me the chance to experiment with different combinations to see what works best for my hair type. Overall, I really enjoyed this product. It felt like it was actually moisturizing my hair rather than just sitting on top. It's also refreshing to find two products that truly work together, especially since I found that many promoted duos or trios don't always deliver as promised. After styling, I diffused my hair until it was about 80% dry, then I let it air dry for the rest of the way. Once my hair was completely dry, I noticed a slight cast, but there was still a lovely amount of moisture. Like I said before, if you're aiming for a stronger hold, I would recommend using less leave-in conditioner than I did, as a leave-in can soften the hold of a gel or custard, so just keep that in mind. I absolutely loved how my hair turned out. The cast broke easily, and I was thrilled to see that I had plenty of volume. This combination of products hydrated my hair and provided definition while keeping it incredibly soft. Throughout the week, my hair remained soft and expanded even more, lasting for about 4 days, which I think is impressive. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried these products or do you plan to? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.